Hi there, you are new here, right? Yes, I just joined this school yesterday. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I am Ravi. Welcome to Greenfield High School. Thank you, Ravi. Everyone here seems so friendly. That's good to hear. Which class are you in? I'm in class 4th B. What about you? Oh, same class. That means we'll be classmates. Really? That's great. I was little nervous about making new friends in this school. Don't worry, you will get used to it. Our teachers are nice too. That's a relief. Thanks, Ravi. You are really kind. You are welcome, Sarah. Let's go to our class.